You're welcomed by a nice large living area, an open kitchen concept here. Now this is the master bedroom. Hello and welcome to Housey. I'm your host Vidya and today I'm standing in front of a lovely villa property called Solace by Modern Spaces. Before I give you a tour of this property, and I would like to give you some more details about Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that directly connects home buyers with developers, thus giving you the property at a bottom rate price. Housey also saves you from the hassle of receiving numerous calls from various brokers. And how does Housey make that happen? Housey directly connects you with the developer. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home directly with the developer through Housey. So let me give you a project overview. This is a lovely property, Solace by Modern Spaces, spread across a land parcel of 26.5 acres. And this lovely property is located on Kada Agrahara Road in Sarjapur Road and consists of 4 and 5 BHK villas. And now let me give you a tour of the sample villa. Come on. I'm going to give you a tour of the Modern Space Solace villa. As you enter, you can see you're welcomed by a nice large living area which comfortably accommodates 8-seater sofa with maybe 2 additional chairs. You can design it however you like here. And now you have this space here on the right, which is the TV area with ample space provided for the cabinets. As you move in, this villa is spread across a plot area of 1809 and has a built-up area of 3387 square feet. Now we have a dining area here, which is an open dining area which comfortably accommodates a 8-seater dining table, and it also has an open kitchen concept here. As you can see, come on in, we have a nice breakfast tabletop provided here. Enough space for the chimney and enough cabinets provided as storage space here. The good part is there's a lot of natural lighting and ventilation also this property. And as you move inside here, there is a nice tucked in utility area provided where you can have your dishwasher, washing machine, whatever you like. And this space also opens up to an area outside surrounding the compound wall. This place is already quite well ventilated and spacious, and what adds to its beauty is the Italian marble flooring that is provided here. As you can see, this is provided with the property. And right next to the dining area, you have a nice balcony space provided here. And also one more thing that I've noticed that adds to the beauty of this lovely villa is the high ceiling. You see the high ceiling concept here? Definitely adds to the design. So this is the ground floor, which consists of your living area, the dining area, the kitchen and a bedroom. And you have the lift here as well, lift which connects the ground floor with 2 additional floors that are there on the top. As you move inside, let's have a tour of the first bedroom. This is the first bedroom, which can be used as a guest room. Comfortably accommodates a queen size bed with ample space provided on either sides for your side tables. And you have these nice large open windows here. It kind of adds to the charm and beauty of this. And usually you wouldn't find guest bedrooms to be this spacious, but this guest bedroom is quite spacious. You have enough space here to accommodate a bookshelf or your TV area. Enough cabinets provided here, and right behind here you have a wardrobe space that's provided. Now this is the guest bedroom. Now let's have a look at the common bathroom area, or the powder room as you may call it. The powder room again has The bathroom has anti-skid tiles and luxury sanitary fittings. And we have a nice area here, hand wash area. So this gives you a tour of the ground floor. Let's now move to the first floor. So now we are at the first floor, which comprises of one bedroom here. You see, this again is a nice spacious bedroom which comfortably accommodates a queen size bed or a king size bed. It has ample natural light here with these large windows that are provided. There's enough lighting, and again there's enough space in the room to accommodate two side bedside tables, or you can even use this area as a dressing area. Maybe put a mirror here, use as a dressing area. It's quite spacious, and right here you can have your television or you can have a bookshelf. So this room provides you enough space to kind of play around however you want in terms of design and styling that you want to do. Also opens up to a nice balcony outside. And what I also like about this place is the walk-in closet area, as you can see. And also we have a nice spacious bathroom with anti-skid tiles and luxury sanitary fittings. This concept is really interesting, isn't it? How they've accommodated nice plants inside with natural lighting for this thing. Now this was the tour of the second bedroom here of this villa. First bedroom was the ground floor guest bedroom. This is the second bedroom. Now let's have a look at this area, which is in the first floor, which is your study area. I like how this area is nicely tucked into a corner here, provides enough natural light, accommodates a nice large study table with enough space for your storage, books, etc. And I like how it gives you that little privacy and space. Very smartly designed, isn't it? And now let's move to the second floor. So welcome to the second floor. You have again lift connectivity to the second floor. As you move to the second floor area, you have a nice living area here, which can be used to entertain your guests, maybe have a couple of meetings. It can even be used as your office area or an additional bedroom. I like how this space has again enough natural lighting, all right, and then enough space to kind of modify it and design it however you like. Also, we have an attached bathroom here as well, which is again very spacious with anti-skid tiles and luxury sanitary fittings. And the beauty of this room is it opens up to the terrace area. So it's a perfect space to host your guests or to be used as an office space. It has a nice terrace area here. This space can be utilized, your corner here can be utilized with some added extra seating arrangements. You can utilize it as your terrace garden, or you can maybe add a bar counter. You can design it however you wish. You can also use the space as a terrace garden, maybe grow your own produce here. And then you have the stairs that takes you up to another level up, which is a terrace area again. So now we move to the other space in second floor, which is again another study area. So your kids can take up, the 2 floors separately, use it as a private space or a study area here. It's cozy, it's tucked into a corner, the perfect space for you to concentrate and study or do your office calls. Enough natural light, enough space to add on some storage material here right behind you. Here in the corner you can see You can add some more bookshelves here and utilize the space. Quite spacious, very smartly designed, very nicely done. So this lovely villa has 4 bedrooms, 2 study area, and all of this is accommodated in 3,387 square feet. And now I'm going to show you the master bedroom. But before I give you more details about the master bedroom, let's find out what Housey does for us. Housey will give you an actual tour of the villa. Housey will give you an actual tour of the location. Housey will explain to you about the pros and cons of purchasing this property. Housey will give you the all-inclusive price options, including the EMI and down payment options available. And Housey will also give you a 360-degree virtual tour of the project. And if you like this property so far, you can book a free site visit with us today by clicking on the link below and registering with Housey. Come on in. Now this is the master bedroom. I like how it comfortably accommodates a queen size bed or a king size bed, however you like it. There's enough ventilation. You have a window here on this side, a window here this side, and an additional balcony area here. But before we go there, let's understand the amount of space this villa is providing you. It's not 4 bedroom just for the namesake. It has enough space. So you have enough space to accommodate 2 nice bedside tables here. You can use that corner as a bookshelf, however you like it. This place already has enough natural lighting, and what's even more interesting is this nice walk-in closet space that you have here. You can accommodate 2 large wardrobes on either sides. And as you move forward, you have the bathroom area here with again anti-skid tiles. And I like how in each bathroom they've provided this space for plants. It really gives you a very surreal feeling, like maybe you're in a resort and you're enjoying a nice shower after a long day. And I like how you have this space provided here with this granite here for your wash basin. And then on the right here again, there is one more personalized study area, which is quietly, very smartly tucked in here. So every space is utilized very well without compromising on the design. And another beautiful part is this nice long balcony here. Nicely overlooks the other villas, and also gives you enough space to grow your own plants, and you can decorate it and host your guests here as well. So this was the 4 BHK sample villa Solace by Modern Spaces. I'm sure you've enjoyed the property so far. So if you want to book a free site visit, you can register with us at housey.com and book the free site visit, or click on the link below and download the e-brochure for more details. And if you like this property and want to see more such interesting properties, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.